Hello, this is Benjamin John Pope, and this is the Level 2 Basics tutorial teaching you how to make an effective wallpaper. And what we want to select is more presets or presets, 1024 by 768 pixels, which is a very high quality for web, which is selected here, web, and we just set HTML canvas. Actually, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll do a normal canvas, and we're going to change the width and the height. So we want to choose 1024 width and 768. 768. Right, so here we go. We've got our canvas here. In this section at the top where my arrow is at the moment, just put it down to 50%. And to start off, we're going to grab a rectangle tool. That's R on the keyboard, or just going click the square button and just pull out a rectangle like so. Go to the color tablet, and we're going to say a linear gradient, and we're going to put 6 different colors. So it's going to start with black, go to a purple, it's then going to go to a blue, like that. It's then going to go back to a white, then to a green, and on the last one bring the alpha down to 0%. Grab your bucket tool and bucket it like so, and we're going to grab the F, going to press F on the keyboard, and we're going to just pull out the gradient like so. I'm going to twist it so it's like that. Even that's quite a good wallpaper. So if you're going to build and keep collecting wallpapers, you go File, Save As, and then create a folder, which I've got UG Wallpapers, Wallpaper Saves, and we're going to call it transitional color. Save. Now I'm going to export it just to show you how effective just that is. You can make loads and loads of just changing the swatch arrangement, because up in the color tab, all of these are called swatches, and if you make your own swatch, which we just did, you can go up to here and put add swatch, and then sure enough, there it is there on the keyboard, on not the keyboard, on the palette. So File, Export, Export Image. Export it, and we want to keep all the same settings, and hit save, and then Cascade Collection, Transitional Color, save. I'm going to shut this down. Save changes, yes. Now, I'm going to show you something that is quite troublesome really, because the truth is, you go to personalize. You should all know how to do this. In your Windows settings, go to your save file, which is in the wallpapers, and we just made this one here, so choose that, and that's fit, fill, and the fill does it, and that's what it looks like on your desktop. So it's quite good already. But let's go back to Adobe Animate. That's how easy it is to make a wallpaper. But I like to add a little bit more detail. I like to, you know, have a bit more going on. So I'm going to add in another layer. We're back in Adobe Animate. We're going to get the same color. We're going to say, go to our swatch that we saved. We're going to pull out the white, pull out the blue. We're going to put it down to there. We're going to bend it. We're now going to copy it. What we'll do first is make it into a graphic. So symbol, type graphic, and type spike advance. Advance. Okay. Go inside of here. We're gonna stretch out the gradient like so. We're gonna select all of it and go to palette, bring the alpha down to 41%, and now we're gonna grab it again, copy and paste. Now what we'll do is we'll come out, and that's what that looks like. But we're going to grab the symbol again, copy, Control Shift paste in place, and we're going to make it now. To make sure there is no faults behind it, we're just going to right click or whatever, the mouse button to bring up the options, and we're going to say duplicate symbol. We're going to go inside of it, and we're just going to cut off the top and cut off the access part. Come back out, go back into it and cut off the edge here. And now we want to grab the same and just bring it down and duplicate that symbol. And bring it down like that. Copy and paste that symbol and duplicate it. do the same, cut off the excess pieces, and now what we're going to do is we're going to change the colour in this one and just pull it out like so, and that's what it looks like now. And even just that is pretty cool, but we're gonna I'm just refreshing what I've done, so Control and copy again. This time put modify, transform, flip vertical. And now what we're going to do is grab rectangle again, add in a new layer, pull it right across like so. Now we're going to press Control and Shift, hold them down, pull out points like so, and then we're going to bend it up like that, bend it down like that, bend it up, bend it around, bring this right down to there. And this piece I'm going to actually move now. It's going to actually like that. No, does it work? Just me messing around, because now you need to mess around a bit or keep working in the same methods. I'm going to get rid of it and keep this one here and just place it there. No, get rid of that as well. I'm going to leave that as it is. I'm going to leave that as it is, but what I'm going to do is move that one. I'm going to file, save as, transitional color 2, file, export, export image, save, transitional color 2, save, shut down, and now we're going to test it just to show you what that looks like in a bigger version and the actual defined version that I chose to do, and that's what it looks like. Thank you for listening.